and welcome to another Fitness Friday. This week we are at the Splash Pad in Simcoe. It's located at 281 Head Street. It is a lot of fun for all ages. Between the splash pad, there's a ball diamond close by, there's a play park on the other side. It is just a lot of fun for all family. Also, Norfolk County has a splash pad now located in Delhi at the outdoor pool. I hope you can enjoy some of these great outdoor summer activities.